Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Mata Ogo, and if you're new here, I am really happy to have you here. In the spirit of the new year, the new resolutions, the new vibes and new promises, I decided to share with you the first step action you can take to create your first YouTube video. I know most people have reached out to me several times guys actually, to ask me how they can create their first YouTube video. They are very scared, they don't know what to do, they are wondering how to go about it, what should they put in place, what should they have in place and everything. And in this video, I'm just going to be giving you like a very brief summary of the basic things that should be in place, or basic things that you should put in check before you put the camera right in front of you. I know I'm not blog yet in content creation, but I feel that this video is going to be helpful to somebody out there who is just, beginning to take the first step. Right? So yeah, without saying so much already, let the video begin. So I started this year with words spoken over me by my man of God, what I speak daily over myself. It was quite an unusual practice for me because I would normally just pray and expect miracles. But this time around, I did it differently. Cheers to 2024, and thank you so much for 2023. I love you so much, and I'll see you in 2024. Bye guys. So the first thing to put in place and check would definitely be your camera. What camera do you have? I feel that's one of the most important things that should be considered. Are you using your phone? What kind of phone are you using? What kind of camera do you intend on buying or getting? If you are yet to get a camera, if you want to be using a camera. But of course, the very first start, most of the time, usually is the phone, the smartphone, right? And that's actually what I'm currently using to film, and where I am still at. I'm still using a small phone to film my video. I actually used an iPhone X, and it has been doing the job for me so far, and I don't intend to invest so much yet until I start getting returns from content creation, of course. So yeah, that is the first step. What camera do you have? Most times it's advisable to use an iPhone because it's always the camera quality is always very guaranteed, and it's easier for storage. That if you're getting a larger storage device, and getting a good Samsung would be fine. But for someone who doesn't have so much, I'll always advise that the better option would definitely be an iPhone, which is popular everywhere. You can easily access it everywhere, and it can easily be repaired in case it gets faulty and all that. So yeah, that's the first step to take. So the second option is stability. If you're going to be filming outdoor videos, if you're going to be filming indoor videos, what kind of stability do you want for your video? And I usually go or advise you get a tripod stand to stabilize your video. I'm making this video with a tripod stand, like a tall tripod stand, and it's helping so much for the stability of my video. And although I didn't start off with this very big tripod stand, I'd usually use like stack of books and like a box or something to just wedge my phone while I create content. That also helps to ensure stability of your videos. In case you are yet to get your stand, you can always improvise, and don't be shy, don't be embarrassed, because the only thing everybody is seeing is just your face. What is happening here, what is happening there, right? And that's the only thing they know. That is how much they know. They don't know what is happening behind the scene, and nobody actually cares, right? As much as you're giving out value, that is the most important thing that we look out for. So the third important step or thing that you need would definitely be source of light. Currently there's no light. I was actually filming with light, and then you took my light, and now I'm using sunlight because I have a very wide window that I'm filming currently in front of. So what I just do, I just raise up the window, the curtains completely, and then I'm facing the window. Rather, I'm directly facing the window, so I am utilizing the sunlight directly. So in case my LED lights, the battery is just got exhausted, finished, and I don't have a spare battery yet, so I have to improvise. I'm using this sunlight, and to an extent I feel it's doing a very good job for me, and my video is actually looking clear. I mean, fair enough, right? So what is the source of light? I'm going to be using a ring light. If you're going to be making beauty videos, then you should not compromise on your source of light. I use my ring light and my LED light, the YN216 light, in filming my beauty videos. Like, I don't compromise on that. I can also add sunlight, you know, to top up the lighting, because for a beauty content creator, you cannot compromise your source of light, because you need so much focus on the face or whatever it is that you are trying to create focus on. And if you are not even having a very good camera option, then you should not compromise source of light, right? So sunlight works very, very well for someone who is starting up. Just ensure that you create your content at the peak or times where the sunlight is at its peak, and you have a very wide window in front of you where you film. It will go a long way in helping you save cost and maximize your content. So the fourth point, I think that's the fourth point here, would definitely be the background. So what is behind? This is just the wall behind my room, and I just always keep it very clear and clean this way, because I am yet to get this backdrop that I want to use, because my ideal space would definitely be with a backdrop, because I really love the concept of having a backdrop behind while filming my videos, right? Because I just feel it adds a lot of aesthetic to my video. I'm not ready to start mounting things because this is not my house, and you know, it's a rented apartment, and I'm not even cut out for. I'm not very creative with my space. I'm not a creative person, honestly, with my space, like home decor and designs. I'm very poor at it, so I just love to do something very easy and something that can actually work for me. So for the meantime, this is actually working for me, a very clear background behind my room, and you know, I'm utilizing the space I have here. For other options, you can go with a backdrop. You know, like when you go for a photo shoot, that backdrop will usually mount to take your photo. That would be a very good idea, like having two stands and having your backdrop different material quality and everything. That would be a very good option for you as well, but I've not invested in that because I just feel it's not very necessary for now, because this one is working for me, right? So yeah, what exactly is at the back? You cannot be having people moving at your back and you're creating video. It's going to be very awkward, right? So you have to take note of that. The fifth would be sound. Sound is very important. When I started off, guys, my videos were very awkward because like people could actually not hear my voice. I was shouting, and I guess at some point I made my room very quiet, so it was now echoing, so I could not control the echo. Like, so many things that just happened, and I was just trying to find so much stability with the sound that I produce my videos, or I produce in my videos. Currently, behind my house, they're actually having a party, and the music is very loud, but this microphone has gone a long way in helping the quality of the sound I get in my videos. And I feel after the aesthetic, then the content you're making, the information or the quality of your content, I feel the third most important thing will definitely be your microphone. So the sixth on my list, I think, yeah, that's the sixth. What plans do you have on storage? Because you're going to be creating so much videos and editing a lot, and if the quality of your video is very high, definitely know that the space is going to be consuming on your phone would be very high. So what plans do you have on the storage device or storage plans on your phone? For now, I use my phone, and the storage device is very good because I actually delete videos as I shoot, as I film. After editing, I delete and clear up my storage space. But if you're going to be using like a camera or like a phone where you can insert an SD card, then by all means make good use of a very good SD card, and maximize that as much. So consider your phone space. What is the space of your phone? How much videos can it take at a time? And you're going to be editing a lot, so always put that into consideration before you start creating videos. I think the last point for now would be the reflector. I use a reflector in filming my videos, and to a large extent I noticed so much improvement in the quality and texture of my videos after creating those content, because I noticed when I don't use this reflector, I tend to get like whitish videos. I look very whitish, and it doesn't focus or bring so much what's the word? It doesn't bring so much, like it doesn't enhance the light that gets to my face. So with this reflector, especially in creating my beauty videos, I don't miss out on it because it actually helps in improving the quality of the videos I create. Let me know in the comment section down below if you found this video helpful, and in case you think I missed out on anything, let us know down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I always miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel if you're yet to. I mean, it helps so much in improving my channel, recommendations, and so many other things. So please don't forget to subscribe and join this family. I love you so much, and until next time.